This person tripped over a broken sidewalk and decided to fix it in a clever way. First, they removed the debris and vacuumed up the dust. Once they emptied the hole, they greased it with Vaseline and melted it with a blowtorch, sprayed release spray and placed glue sticks all around the structure. Again with the blowtorch, they melted the glue. With this, they created an exact mold of the hole. Then, he sprayed the mold on the outside with release spray. He covered the entire surface with more glue and made layers with paper towels. The goal is to reinforce the whole mold. Once this process was finished, the young man filled the mold with quick-drying cement. And, ta-da! He obtained an exact replica of the hole in the sidewalk. All that's left is to place it in its place, cover it with a little more cement, and to give it a personal touch, decorate it with a nice drawing. Done! Sidewalk repaired. Would you use this trick to repair the floor in your house? Do you want to create a beautiful ornament with your own hands? Let's go! It's very easy. Surely everything you need can be found in your house. Melt candles that you no longer use. Remove the wicks and add color by adding some wax crayons. Use a Tetra brick container as a mold. Cut off the top. You can make several layers with different colors of wax. Remember to let each layer cool before adding the next one. When you have the layers you want, remove the container. Wrap flowers and leaves in baking paper. Let them dry inside a book with weight on top. Once dry, place the flowers around your candle with the help of the baking paper. Heat it with your hair dryer so that the flowers are imprinted on the candle. There you have it. A beautiful decorative candle to give as a gift, or to beautify a corner of your home, and all with recycled materials. Fantastic! Oh no! Did you get distracted? Sit down without looking where in your favorite pants paid the price? Fresh paint can be almost impossible to remove, but calm down, don't throw away your beloved jeans. Take an old newspaper, cut out one of its pages into pieces, like a puzzle. Then, spread a generous layer of fabric glue on each piece. Use a soft, bristled brush to avoid tearing the paper. Next, stick the pieces one by one on the paint-stained areas. Use your imagination to create a fun design. Spray bleach over the paper, and when it's wet, carefully peel it off. The design of the letters will be printed on the fabric, giving your jeans a unique and modern touch. Don't they look even better than before? Go out and show them off, and be careful where you sit. Summer is here and it's time for delicious smoothies. Also for bubbles? Take several straws of different colors. Cut them into small pieces of at least 3 centimeters. Stick them side by side on a tape. Then roll them up. Insert a toothpick on one end. It looks like a huge lollipop, right? You have an amazing bubble maker. Dip it in water with dish soap and voila! Who said bubbles are only for kids? Blow hard and have fun.